If you want to learn how to upload a file in Hostinger quickly and correctly, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. Whether you want to upload an HTML file, PHP file, image, PDF, or even a zip archive, Hostinger makes it very easy once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account by going to hostinger.com and signing in with your details. Once you reach the hPanel dashboard, look for the Websites section. This is where all of your hosted domains and websites are listed in one place. Click on Websites to view your domain list, then find the website you want to work on and click the Manage button next to it. This will open the control panel for that specific website, which is where you can access all of the tools you need. Next, on the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the Files option. Click on it and then select File Manager. Hostinger will open the File Manager directly in your browser, so you do not need to install any extra software or use FTP if you do not want to. This is one of the easiest ways to manage website files, especially for beginners. Once File Manager opens, you need to go into the public/HTML folder. This is the main root directory for your website, and it is where your website files are stored. Double-click public/HTML to open it. If you are uploading a file for your live website, this is usually the folder you want. If you place files somewhere else, they may not appear on your website, so this step is very important. Now, you are ready to upload your file. At the top right corner of the File Manager, click the Upload icon on, which usually looks like an upward arrow. After that, you will see the option to upload either a file or a folder. Choose the option that matches what you need. If you are uploading a single file like a PNG, PDF, HTML, or PHP file, choose File. If you have multiple files already organized in one folder, you can choose Folder instead. Then select the file from your computer. You can browse through your folders and choose the exact file you want to upload. Once you click it, Hostinger will start the upload automatically. You will see a progress indicator, and it is important to wait until that process fully completes before you close the window or refresh the page. If you close it too early, the upload may not finish properly. After the upload is complete, your file will appear inside the public/HTML folder or inside whatever folder you selected. You can now use it on your website, reference it in your pages, or confirm that it uploaded correctly by refreshing your site. If you uploaded something like an image or HTML file, you can test it right away to make sure everything is working as expected. And that is how to upload a file in Hostinger step by step. It is a simple process once you know where the File Manager is and which folder to use. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next Hostinger walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.